In this video, we will be discussing how to set the printable area to maximize the printing and have a nice printout presentation submission. I have here an Excel file example. As you can see in the print preview, some area are not fully filled with content and some are undesirably cut. Now, to resolve this page adjustment issue, we need to go to the View tab. Click Page Break Preview. Do the necessary adjustments. Once done, check if content in every page is maximized. Set the Excel to preview. Look how net and clean the content in every page. Let's do the PDF printing to prepare for client submission. Thanks for watching.